Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the power and volume button flex on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic cartridge tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, undo the 5 screws securing the wireless pad. Next, disconnect the battery connector and the wireless pad connector from the logic board. And then gently pry the wireless pad from the body. Next, remove the faulty power volume flex from the body. First, remove the board cover by undoing 4 screws. Next, disconnect the power volume plug from the logic board. Next, remove the power volume flex bracket using a tweezer. Next, remove the faulty power volume flex from the frame. Next, place and secure the new power volume flex on the side of the frame. And then secure the bracket. Next, secure the power inflex plug to the board. Next, secure the board cover by adding 4 screws. Next, place and secure the wireless pad by adding 5 screws and the plug. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use the rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.